let's check out autopilot again. Working pretty good. So when you get off exits, I would suggest taking it out of autopilot. If you try to release it by the wheel, there's usually a pretty decent tug. You got to move it really, really hard. But if you tap the brake, it releases a lot easier, and you're able to manually steer it. I think that's the best way to go. But anyway, the autopilot's working pretty good. Sees that car. It's tracking in the lane perfectly. It has the speed limit. I have it set at 55. Now it wants me to jiggle the, okay, did that. This is funny, that's a tractor trailer, but it shows up as a car. Anyway, that's about it for this round.